बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Fox and the Crow. Full moral story in English. Once, a crow found a piece of cheese and sat on a tall tree to enjoy it. A hungry fox noticed the crow and wanted to get the cheese. The clever fox thought, I cannot climb the tree, but I can trick the crow. The fox stood under the tree and said politely, Dear crow, you look so handsome today. I have heard your voice is the sweetest in the jungle. Please sing a song for me. The crow, flattered by the fox's words, became excited. He opened his beak to sing loudly, but as soon as he cawed, the cheese fell down. The fox quickly grabbed the cheese and laughed. See, my friend, never believe in flattery, or you will lose what you have. The crow realized his mistake and felt ashamed. The fox enjoyed the cheese and left happily. Moral: flattery leads to loss. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.